Hi, I'm Jeff. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share my favorite things to cook. And the fall is my favorite time of year. I like the cool weather, the college football, and most of all, I like that this is when Hatch Green Chiles are harvested. Right during Labor Day, usually you can go to your supermarkets and you might have noticed in the parking lots they have the big roasters and they're roasting green chilies. This segment, this video, we're going to go over how to make Hatch Green Chile sauce. And so the first thing that we're going to see is the actual roasting process at Central Market here in Dallas. And then we're going to show you how to create this green chili sauce that you can put on everything. You get the chilies back from the roaster, or if you've roasted them yourself, they have the char, the skin still on. Actually, this is how I freeze them as well. When I get them back from that roaster, I put them in quart-sized bags and freeze them and use them, the rest of the year basically. So what I usually do is just come over here to the sink, take one of these, rinse off the charred skin, and then I pull off the top, kind of open it up, and then rinse out the seeds. I'm going to keep it. Removing the skin and the seeds is probably the hardest part of this whole recipe. Once you get done chopping them up, go ahead and put them in your measuring cup. When you do go to the store to get green chilies, usually you can pick between hot and mild. Some people like to get half and half. If you miss the chance to get green chilies in season, you still can get, there's several places that sell them online, and you can also buy canned green chilies. But the best green chilies you can get are ones you get from the market, have them roasted there for you, and then enjoy. Okay, let's get started with the green chili, Hatch Green Chile gravy. Go ahead and put the burner on about medium. We're going to first melt down the butter. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the onions. Cook the onions until they're soft. Okay, we've given it about 2 minutes. Also, you can smell the aroma of the onions coming through now. So now for the roux, we add some flour. This is what you want to measure. So we put in 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. You want to keep that ratio. And this is helping the flour particles open up, getting ready to absorb some of the liquid. And also the fat helps the flour particles separate from each other, so it does have room to absorb the liquid. So you want to cook the flour a little bit, get those particles opened. There's a whole science to making roux that is very interesting about the absorption of the liquid and the flour particles.
I'm just using that Cuisinart pasta pot here. It looks like the flour's about ready to absorb our liquid. So let's go ahead and put some chicken broth in there. Stir it in nicely. You want to go ahead and get everything blended in nice. Keep it on medium. And then add the other ingredients. Of course, the star of the show is our peppers. As I mentioned, I am making a double batch here, but the recipe on the video is just for a single batch. Then stir the peppers in. This is the garlic. The salt. Of course, we can adjust that as we go. And here's the pinch of cumin. And we're just wanting this to simmer about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. I've been stirring a little bit, kind of chopping up some of the larger pieces of pepper. Just want to get it nice and smooth. And then let it cool down. I like to use this green chili sauce more as a gravy than a salsa. Put it on hash browns in the morning, it's great. Any type of chicken casserole dishes, goes really well with turkey dishes. And also, of course, the famous stacked enchiladas that I'm going to do on the next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy your Hatch Green Chile sauce. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.